This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies with an air fryer using an easy method. First, gather your preferred cookie dough, whether it's a homemade recipe or a convenient store-bought option. Next, prepare your air fryer basket by lining it with parchment paper. This ensures easy cleanup and prevents sticking. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes to get it ready for baking. This simple preparation sets you up for delicious results. Now, let's get those cookies ready for baking. Take your dough and roll it into small, uniform balls, ideally about 1 inch in diameter. Carefully place these dough balls into your preheated air fryer basket, making sure to leave at least 1 inch of space between each cookie. This prevents them from merging together as they expand. Bake them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes, adjusting the time based on how crispy you like your cookies. Once your cookies are baked to perfection, it's important to let them cool properly. First, allow the cookies to rest inside the air fryer for about 2 minutes immediately after baking. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely for at least 10 minutes. This final cooling step ensures they achieve the ideal texture before you enjoy your warm, delicious air fryer cookies. For the best results, remember a few pro tips. Always avoid overcrowding your air fryer basket. Baking in smaller batches ensures even cooking and a perfect texture every time. Also, be mindful that baking times can vary slightly depending on the size of your cookies and the specific model of your air fryer, so adjust as needed. And hey, if you're looking for more great content, check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other amazing deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.